How to log out of your account on Poparazzi application. There are two ways that you can log out of your Poparazzi app or using the website. First being, you want to go to your website first and search for Poparazzi on the search bar. You want to simply tap on the website. For that, you want to simply tap on menu option at the top left of your screen, and if you're logged in onto your account, you'll be able to see a logout option at the very bottom of your screen. You want to simply tap on log out. By doing so, you'll be able to log out of your account. However, there is another quicker way that you can log out of your account using the application. Let's say you have the Poparazzi application. At search, I'm using Chrome as for example. Tap and hold on to the app and click on app info. After that, you want to tap on storage and cache, and here you want to simply tap on clear storage. After that, you want to delete all your data from here, and by doing so, you'll be able to delete all of your user data, hence logging out of your account. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.